And welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at Polkadot or DOT. And DOT is currently at the $6.92 level. We are currently ranked at 15th with a market cap of about $9.91 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $418 million, and today we are going to be looking at what is the weekly open and what that means right here for Polkadot going forward for this week. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for Polkadot in the last 24 hours, we are up about 3.4%, and without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Polkadot versus the USD Theta. We are on the weekly time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? So starting from the weekly time frame, we saw this sort of massive push that happened to the downside right here last week for Polkadot. As we know, every single candle represents 1 week on the weekly time frame, right? So we saw this sort of massive wick right here into this $5.6 level, and as you can see, we have started the week with this candle pushing forward, right? That basically means two things: that we should expect some sort of consolidation right here for Polkadot this week, and I'll show you why. If we basically push to the daily time frame, the daily time frame gives us a better context as to what we should be expecting right here for Polkadot, right? So Polkadot, one of the things we noticed right here from our last video, we said right here that every single time we see a flip of our trending EMA bearish, we usually retest the bull market EMA. We saw this in January, retest of the bull market EMA bounce, right? So the moment we begin to see, or we began to see right here, this flip right here off Polkadot on the daily time frame, we're seeing expect to see a retest of the bull market EMA, and as you can see, we have seen prices even go below the bull market EMA. So what we are expecting this week is basically some sort of sideways price action right here for Polkadot, probably a trying to reclaim its bull market EMA, but we could just see consolidation around that level, right? So we are not really bullish on Polkadot this week. Basically a attempt to retest the bull market EMA and consolidate around that level, and I'll show you why we basically could just see a sideways price action, right? Because if we just look at the volume profile, the volume profile became bearish right here on Polkadot exactly on the 15th of March, and that was where we did a session called taking profit season, right? That you want to begin to take profit on your positions, right? Since then, we basically have been pushing to the downside right here for Polkadot. As you can see, basically just downside price action right here for Polkadot, right? So that is what we are expecting. Currently, we are still pushing to the downside, showing that momentum and volume are still in favor of the bears. So we could see an attempt by Polkadot to reclaim the bull market EMA. That would just basically be some sort of sideways price action, probably a retest of our lows, even to $5.7 level before we see any sort of bounce, right? So that's the update right here on Polkadot. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.